Well, if you're wanting to get into your fan, in your exhaust fan for your bathroom slash where there happens to be a fan that pulls out the air, mostly in the bathroom, you might not know how to get into that, and you might worry, oh, I'm pulling on it, it's doing weird feeling, makes me feel insecure about maybe I'm going to break it. So you pull it down like so, and see how it hangs there? If you look at it, there's some slots up in there, and this spring type, so these things here, you have to squeeze them together, and it keeps it from pulling all the way out with that round part right there. So you squeeze it, and it comes out. Now you see the slots in there on both sides? This is where the screws are, but right here, I'm going to push that together and like so. Same with this one. Push it together, and then it's hanging there again. And I just slide it up, adjust it to fit. Then you can look in there, see if the fan, sometimes the fan motors go out and you can replace those fan motors. Sometimes you just might want to clean in there. I've seen it where they're pretty full of spider nests and webs, all kinds of stuff. So if you want to get up into your exhaust fan in your bathroom, that's how you do it.